Love you too. I'm gonna need your help on this song. If you know the words, sing it. Help me out. Let's clap this thing up. Let's do this. We've been traveling far. We found a home, but not without a star. Free, only want to be free. We huddled close, hang on to a dream. On the boats and on the planes, we're coming to America, never looking back again. We're coming to America, home. Gonna seem so far away. We're traveling light today, the eye of a storm. The eye of a storm. Home to a new and a shiny place. Make our bed and we'll set our pace. Freedom's light burning warm. Freedom's light burning warm. That's how much I rock it. Everywhere around the world, they're coming to America. Every time that flag's unfurled, they're coming to America. Got a dream to take them there. They're coming to America. Got a dream they come to share. They're coming to America. They coming to America. They coming to America. They coming to America. They coming to America today. 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 Today, my country, 'tis of thee, sweet land of liberty, of thee I sing, of thee I sing today, today, today.
People. 700 people in our site, and Jake here is in the top 6.